What's going on, guys? All right, well, the theme of the day was Apex not working on Tradeovate. And then I guess later on in the day, rhythmic issues. But before I get into that, if you want to try other prop firms that aren't Apex, go in the description of my video and use the coupon code CoveTrader or click on the link for Topstep and try some of the other platforms that worked today. So yeah, so that was the theme of the day. So I basically traded the Topstep account. As you can see, we were up 716. Trying to put in work here to get this back up. And then that was obviously a good day. I messed up over here. This was up. Basically, this was up to 52,100. And then I dropped it all the way down to 51,000. And then at the end of the day, I made back this after hours trade for 225. So I put in work on this, and that was all I could trade today. I actually traded Rhythmic on Apex, and I was able to get an account over. So I should have another funded account tomorrow. So if Tradeovate doesn't work, hopefully the Rhythmic one works. But I could use Tradeovate with Take Profit Trader. I know people were using it with My Funded Futures. Topstep X worked. So all these other platforms work. And like I said, if you want to save money, it's all in the description of this video. Today was actually a pretty good day. The biggest thing to me, which didn't really respect the pivot points today, but it happens. So yeah, right out the gate today, we came down to VWAP, and then we just exploded on up, which was a huge move. I mean, huge move. We took out right around, if you look, this downtrend right there, the downtrend broke out. Then we basically trended back to the 34, which is always my buy spot, and kind of took it up. I think I took a quick short right here, but I didn't really like it because we were grinding up really slow. So I kind of felt like we were going to break over. And sure enough, we did. Whole numbers, always a great short. As you could see, we were almost at 20,800. We were right there. Always worth taking a stab at it. And if you did, you would have banked pretty big. So yeah, we came down. It didn't respect really the pivot. Yeah, we got a little bounce here, but just really wasn't that type of day. So I traded my other indicators. So you have to know when one thing isn't working to switch, and that's kind of what I did. I just kind of traded other indicators that I know work. You could see, we bounced back to 34, perfect short opportunity. Same here again. Yeah, and then we just kind of trended down for the majority of the day, for the most part, for a couple hours, and then you can kind of feel the bottom was getting made here. Yeah, I mean, again, didn't respect pivot points, blew right through it again, but I was smart enough that I did take a shot at the pivot point right here. But when it didn't work, I took a shot kind of at the whole number, which is 20,500. I did jump the gun by 7 points, but it was worth it. And you could see we shot up really fast. There's people on our stream. By the way, if you're not on the stream, you should, get on. We stream on YouTube. But yeah, I mean, there's people that held this for like 50, 60 points. I got 15 or so, 20 points. But there's people that held for the big bag. And then basically at the end of the day, when we dropped and came right back, I took a long and we broke over. And that was kind of my day. I was testing out this indicator. I'm not sure how I like it. It's called UT bot alerts. And it looks great, but the buys basically don't come until the candle's done. And these are different types of candles. So it's definitely delayed action. You're not catching the bottom by any means. But it's interesting enough. I'm going to be playing with it for the week, and because you don't get the best entries because it is delayed, I was playing five micros with this instead of minis, to kind of make up for the bad entries. But I think I think it's a good tool. I don't know if I'm going to be following it, or if I don't follow it, what I'll do is if I end up getting in, say I'm long, I might bring this up, and as long as this doesn't have a red candle, kind of just stay in my trade. So I might use this to stay in a trade, more or less, not looking for a buy or sell signal, but if I should stay in the trade or get out. So I'm gonna play around with this. We'll see what happens. Um, yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys made some money. I want to catch you guys on the stream, and hopefully Apex is working tomorrow, so we can start really slamming some contracts. I wanted to try getting this for a payout, so I was trying to get like a couple days of $700 in profit. I could still do it, but yeah, I'm 1 day short. And then this one, I was hoping to get a good day, and we'll see what happens. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you tomorrow.